the spoons in here. And the spoons go in here. They're even going to go in here. Because, Mama, they need to go in here. Mama?
What you cooking?
I'm getting the spoons out of the plate.
Where are you putting them?
I'm putting them in here.
What is?
That's the thing what the spoons live in.
That's where the silverware lives?
What spoon do you want? I have superheroes.
Yeah, I'd like a superhero spoon, definitely.
Which one?
Maybe Spider Girl? Do you have a Spider Girl spoon? Or a Flash spoon?
No, splash are not for girls.
Oh. What's for girls?
Only Mom, Spider Girl.
Okay, I'll have a Spider Girl spoon then, I guess, if that's all I can have.
Okay. I think you would with clippers.
Fantastic.
With much more power.
Oh, I like power, thanks.
Good.
What you doing, crazy mouth? Do funny eyes now with the spoon in your mouth. You look like a crazy person.
You can get much more power spoons. Okay, I get you much more power spoons. This is much more power spoons. This is much more power spoons.
Okay.
You get these. You know what? You'll get one of these. Okay, so you have this one. And Baba have this spoon. Baba, you have this spoon. You have this spoon. And I have this spoon.
Nice. Cheers.
No, that's not.
No, you're right. You only do that with glasses, don't you? Do you want your last bite of pancake or are you full?
Baba?
I think we learned our lesson yesterday, didn't we?